What's up, online shoppers? Are you feeling wiped out and looking for a fix? Well, I have something that definitely is small, mighty, and lemon limey. Sometimes I find no matter how much water I'm drinking through the day, I am absolutely dragging my butt around. Until I found these awesome little HydroMATE electrolyte mixes. One of the convenient things about them is that they come in a single, so I can just carry them with me in my purse and pop them in my water whenever I feel like I need a little lift. Now, these little guys, they're game changers. Whether I'm hitting a workout, recovering from a night out, if you know what I mean, or just dealing with a hectic day, one of these little lemon lime packets put in my water and shaken up is enough to give me the perk and pick me up that I need. It's an instant hydration boost that I didn't know I was missing. For me, it's literally like flipping a switch between foggy and crystal clear. Now, what makes these stand out is their clean ingredient list. Low sugar, only 10 calories, and no weird artificial colors or flavorings. That and the fact that they pack in things like vitamin C, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. So it's not just about quenching thirst, I'm actually replenishing and restoring the balance and the energy in my body. Plus, for anyone who's doing keto or just trying to avoid sugar crashes, these for me have been the ultimate fix. The packets are super convenient. They're nice and small. I can put them in my purse, in my workout bag. I can tuck them in just about any little pocket so that I have them with me when I need them. You can see that they mix up pretty clear. There isn't a lot of sediment at the bottom. Sometimes when you have one of these, you drink it and then there's like a bunch of sludge at the bottom. These do not do that, and I love them for it. Honestly, these have saved me more than once when I felt that midday crash, you know, that like head nodding, I want to have a nap at 3 o'clock. Pump in the hydration and away I go. If you are feeling tired, or maybe you just have that dehydration headache coming on and you know you need to do something fast, these HydroMATE little singles, lemon limey, but definitely available in other flavors, which I'm dying to try, by the way, work and they taste good. HydroMATE has definitely got your back, and that's why these are a family favorite in my house.